Welcome to How to Play Turkish Draughts, an ancient board game that transforms ordinary checkers into an arena of intellectual warriors. Beyond the thrill of competition, Turkish Draughts offers a unique opportunity to connect with a part of history, to sharpen your mind in the company of friends or family, and to enjoy the sheer pleasure of discovering something new. Let's begin with the setup. To play, you will need a Turkish Draughts set and 2 players. The game board is placed between the 2 players. Each player gets 16 pieces that are set up on the second and third row in front of them. The back row for each player is left empty. The object of the game is to capture all your opponent's pieces. A piece can move 1 space forward or 1 space to either side if the space being moved to is open. A piece can capture an opponent's piece by jumping over it. The jump can be made forwards or to the side if the space on the other side of the opponent's piece is open. Multiple captures can be made by the same piece on the same turn if possible. If a piece gets to the back row, it is promoted to a king. A king can move forwards, sideways, or backwards any number of open spaces, and can capture a single piece by jumping it from any number of open spaces away. Going back to the start of the game, the player with the lighter colored pieces makes the first move. Here, Mario makes the first move. Play moves to the other player who will make their first move. Players will continue to take turns making moves with the goal of capturing all their opponent's pieces first. If a player can make a capture on their turn, the capture must be made. If a player has more than one capture option, the capture that takes the most pieces must be made. A captured piece is removed immediately from the board after being jumped, before the captor continues jumping. This adds another element to the strategy, as it can open up additional jumps previously not available to be captured. The first player to capture all their opponent's pieces wins the game. Here, Luigi wins the game by capturing all Mario's pieces. In the case where both players have 1 piece remaining, the game is a draw. Turkish Draughts offers endless opportunities for growth, fun, and connection. Now that you have learned the rules, it is time to set up the board, invite your challengers, and let the games begin. If you have found value in this tutorial, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more adventures in the world of games. Your next favorite game could be just a video away. Until then, keep playing, keep strategizing, and most importantly, keep having fun.